Da, 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 da. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and run it back. Max position size, beautiful. USD size. XAI responded. Claude responded. DeepSeek responded. Gemini giving us a hard time. Okay, it says nothing. Do nothing. Okay, so it says do nothing. Current position 0. Okay, BTCs do nothing. Okay, do nothing then. So I'm gonna do nothing. And how can I make sure this actually works? I don't know. I don't know yet, but we're gonna go ahead and implement another. I'm gonna say it's working. I want to go ahead and implement this. Please go ahead and implement this into our models using this file here. This is Grok, which will allow us to use this model. And then what I want you to do, I want you to build a script to just test it out, where we can run that script and just have a test prompt. And if you see that test prompt get a response, that means it's working. It will be using this website or this file to run the model. Grok allows us to run a ton of different models. Anyways, you'll go ahead and update that there, build that script, and then once you see the model is working, I want you to implement this into the trading agent instead of Gemini. So you'll use the GROQ Grok using QWEN, this model, instead of Gemini, because she's been giving us some problems lately. Okay, so let's go ahead here and say, let's go to the models. So again, all this is on GitHub, but if you go to the models section here, we have the Grok model here. And I can just say Grok model, and it's all connected. And you can see here that we can use Mixtral and all these other models here, but we can add in the new model, which is Queen, which I saw is doing good at trading. So that's why I'm doing it. You know? What XAI model do you use for your agent? Like, how come it's less than $1 when you've been vibe coding all day? I'm not using it to vibe code. See ya, Charlie. Or see ya, come bet. I'm not using it to code right now. I'm using it only for the ideas. So you can see all these models here. For the AI agents, I'm using the model for XAI. That's why it's so cheap. What is all this? I'm building out an AI agent trading swarm here, and it's all available on GitHub. The link should be in the description, but it's probably not. Damn, it's not in the description. So let's put the GitHub in the YouTube description. My bad, fam. There it is. Save. I wish I could just save that forever there. Okay, downloading Grok and update. Okay, perfect. So she's updated. Oh, and I have something that I need to work on actually. I need to fix. Something's going on with the sweeps. I think they might have patched it, dude. Let's go here to our poly market stuff. Close other chats. Close all chats, fam. Close chat, okay. And then let's go here and say Claude dangerously skip permissions. Okay. Dangerously skip permissions, yes. And then we're going to say iTerm. For some reason, can you debug a bit? Because for some reason, my polymarket, this file doesn't post any sweeps anymore. It's like there's nothing there. I mean, you could debug by putting the size to really small and test it out, but I want you to loop this until you figure out what's going on because there are no sweeps. And I find that very, very hard to believe because there's always sweeps.